If you have received a too many login attempts error with Chime, these are the immediate solutions that you can do. The most straightforward solution is to wait a period of time, usually between 15 and 60 minutes, before attempting to log in again, since repeated login attempts during this lockout period can reset the timer. Next is to reset your password. You can use the forgot password link on the login screen of the Chime app or website. This will send a reset link to the email address associated with your account, which you can use to set a new password and immediately unlock your account. Now, these are some troubleshooting tips. First is to check your email for an account unlock link. Chime may automatically send an email with a link to unlock your account after multiple failed attempts, so be sure to check your spam or your junk folders. And lastly is to clear your browser cache and cookies. If you're using a web browser, your stored data might be automatically entering an old or incorrect password. So just clear your browser's cache and cookies and try logging in again. And that's our fix if you have received too many login attempts. And Chime and thank you for listening.